Tell us you're sick and that you need to be holified and crucified by the Lord Jesus.
Hold your phone steady.
He does have hiccups.
He's sick. He has the Antichrist
Stop
inside of
talking so much, Dave.
You might as well just turn it off and restart the recording.
Yeah.
him. Never.
People just heed the magic, not hear your voice.
My mother is here to crucify him with water and knives.
Oh, you're kidding me. Falling at the end.
Come and drink the holy water. Yes, he still has
What
it.
did you do to that
Do you
water?
still have the hiccups?
She poisoned it.
Yes, he still has
Okay.
hiccups.
Alright, are you videotaping?
Yes.
Alright, what I want you to do is I want you to drink the water, but this has to go on your temple. So you have to drink as much as you can while it's on your temple. And then take a breath and then drink more.
Why weren't you videoing her showing what to do?
Because
It doesn't
he'll do
matter.
anyway.
Like,
So just
this?
put it on, like up here on your temple. There you go.
what is-
Now just keep drinking as much as you can. Until you have to take a breath.
Stop it. No. I'm not going to set you apart. No. Go on, get it. Yeah.
if I tip it any further, it's
You can be done. That's good. That's plenty. Keep it on him. See if he hiccups.
Hiccups.
Hold it steady, Gabe.
Are they gone?
maybe.
Oh no, my froggy!
I can't laugh again because if I laugh, I'm gonna start hiccuping again.
She gone.
I think they're gone.
Yeah, it totally works, doesn't it?
My froggy!
Proof that the knife in the ice water works!
You have been holified.
Yes!